I'm Chris Anderson at the EE Web Tech Lab. Today we'll be reviewing the Fairchild FAN23SV04T high-efficiency synchronous buck converter for DDR termination. It is designed for applications such as servers and telecom hardware, as well as game consoles and notebooks, but is suitable for any application requiring an efficient tracking converter capable of sourcing and syncing multiple amps of current. DDR4 requires a termination supply, VTT, to remain at half of VDDQ. This has typically been accomplished by generating VDDQ from the 12-volt supply and using a linear regulator supplied by VDDQ to generate VTT. This setup results in a VTT conversion efficiency of about 45%. The FAN23SV04T uses VDDQ as an input, but can be supplied from a separate rail, typically the same 12-volt rail that supplies the VDDQ regulator. This setup results in a VTT conversion efficiency of about 80%, a significant improvement over the linear regulator approach. This converter also integrates the 50% resistive divider network in the IC. This results in very tightly matched resistors and eliminates the added footprint and cost of providing external high-precision resistors. If your design requires tracking at something other than 50% of your reference supply, it is possible to add external resistors to adjust the tracking ratio. For this demo, I have the FAN23SV04T's evaluation board, a 12-volt source which is supplying power for the VTT conversion, as well as the converter's control logic, a DC load which is set to sync 4 amps, and another supply which is providing the 1.2 volt VDDQ reference as well as the enable signal. With everything on, you can see that my source is providing about 3 watts and my load is consuming about 2.4 watts, hitting that 80% conversion efficiency mark. This means the design is consuming less power and is dissipating less heat into the system, further reducing system and operating costs. There are also test points on the board for evaluating timing and noise performance, as well as a transient generator for evaluating extremely fast transient loads. The FAN23SV04T enables simpler, more efficient VTT conversion while reducing design cost and footprint.